Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. To the honorable judges and audiences, let me introduce my team. My name is Rizky Chandra Nugraha and my partner is
Hania Bunga Zaira Syafa.
We are students at Titi Islamic Senior High School 1 Kudus. We are going to present our set and title Characterization of CNDS Nanomaterial from Pineapple Bromelain Enzyme and Green Muscle Cells Chitin as Eco-Friendly Thermoelectric Media. Let's get down to our... Do you know it's turned out that currently Indonesia is still using Industrial Revolution Technology 1.0 and 3.0. Therefore, Indonesia must enter 4.0 era, one of which in the use of electric strong, namely thermoelectric. Currently, Indonesia still import material in the manufacture of thermoelectric. True raw materials from nature such as pineapple and green muscle cells very abundant. This is because pineapple contains bromelain enzyme of 5.05 unit/ml, while the green muscle cells has a chitin content of 80.24%. The results of the research are expected to provide a new alternative in making eco-friendly thermoelectric. Based on the background above, the problem formulation that can be taken includes the first, how is the synthesis of CNDS nanomaterial from pineapple bromelain enzymes and green muscle cells chitin eco-friendly thermoelectric media? The second, how is the characterization of CNDS nanomaterial from pineapple bromelain enzymes and green muscle cells chitin as eco-friendly thermoelectric media? Next, research benefits. The first, this research can be a solution for CNDS nanomaterial as thermoelectric by analyzing natural materials. The result of the research are expected to be an eco-friendly thermoelectric innovation.
We conducted research at the State Islamic Senior High School 1 Kudus Laboratory, and sample testing was carried out at the Undip Integrated Laboratory from November 2023 until January 2024. The tools we use includes oven, furnaces, porcelain, and others, while the materials we use include pineapple, green muscle cells, HCl, and others.
Next is our research procedure. Making a bromelain enzyme from pineapple consists of cutting, grinding, homogenization using sodium acetate, and then centrifugation for 25 minutes. Furthermore, the front is carried out by adding ammonium sulfate with a concentration of 40%, 50%, and 60% each, stirred using a magnetic stir for 45 minutes, and incubate overnight in the refrigerator, after which a pH test is performed using a pH monitor. Then test the protein levels of crude extract of bromelain enzyme using Comasi Brilliant Blue CPB dye. Determination of bromelain enzyme activity is done by adding gelatin, then ovening for 10 minutes, and finally weighing to find out the content of bromelain enzyme. And the last is weighing of the bromelain enzyme solution.
Isolation of chitin from green muscle cells consists of waxing using HCl. Then drying the green muscle cells with an oven. Then reading the green muscle cells using a blending.
And then in the furnace at a temperature of 1000 degrees Celsius and wash with hydrogen fluoride and then filtered. The next is synthesis of the enzymes bromelain, green muscle cells chitin, and MOCAF in the ratio of 1:1:1, 1:1:2, and 1:2:1.
The data obtained from the test result of enzyme activation, FTIR, SMEDX, and IV meter were analyzed descriptively and respectively. The test results are compared with other test results and reviewed based on literature on CNDS. From the result of the analysis, it is known that the highest protein content of the extraction is at a concentration of 60% with a protein content of 37.785 mg/ml, while the optimum activity of bromelain enzyme extract from pineapple is at pH 6, which is the highest activity with an activity of 1.021 units/ml. FTIR test result, the peak of which is believed to have chitin functional groups, namely at wave number 712.73/cm and 876.68/cm, indicates chitin absorption, namely NH, being from amines NH2.
Here are the same results for F1, F2, F3. The result of SEM-EDX show that the particle products tend to be hollow and clumpy, resulting in non-uniform particle size. The use of CNDS as thermoelectric media is characterized using IV meter to determine the electrical conductivity of thermoelectric, based on the calculation result compared with the resistivity values of various materials. The resulting CNDS includes semiconductor materials.
This is the conclusion from our research. First, CNDS nanomaterials can be synthesized using bromelain enzyme from pineapple and chitin from green muscle cells. The result of the initial extraction identification of the material show a fraction of 60%, indicating that the highest protein content was 37.785 mg/ml. Activation of bromelain enzyme from pineapple highest activity at optimum pH 6 with enzyme activity of 1.021 units/ml, while chitin content from green muscle cells are 57.4 mg/ml. Variation in mixing bromelain enzyme, chitin, and mocaf are F1, 1-to-1-to-1, F2, 1-to-1-to-2, and F3, 1-to-2-to-1. Each of F1, F2, and F3 is then heated in furnace temperature 1000 degrees Celsius and washed using HF to form. Second, based on the result of SEM-EDX characterization showing F1, F2, and F3 is evidenced by SEM-EDX characterization showing of morphology of F1, F2, and F3 agglomerate and uniform. Based on the result of IV meter characterization, the resistivity of the material range from 0.098 to 0.012 cm.
That's all for the presentation from us. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Riset Man Satu Kudus, sikat babat man saku hebat.